This is SifrSec, and I am the person behind it. My name is Mohammed Ahmed, and I am a cybersecurity researcher. Till date, I have secured over 100 educational institutions and protected the data of over 1 million students. I hold the CEH version 13 Master Certificate, the CompTIA Security Plus Certificate, as well as the ISC2 Certified in Cybersecurity credential. I am the discoverer and reporter of CVE 2025-14598, which has a CVSS score of 9.8. And as of now, I am directing my full attention into building SifrSec. Now, you might be wondering, what is SifrSec? So, SifrSec is a premier cybersecurity education and research platform designed solely to cut through the noise and fluff and the misinformation in the field of cybersecurity. We are focused on providing only the highest quality, practical, educational content, which can be implemented from day one. Here's what you can expect from us. Roadmaps and guides. We aim to provide you with structured learning paths, certification blueprints, and comprehensive guides for building powerful home labs where you can practice your skills, perform risky operations and learning activities in a controlled environment. Cybersecurity education. We also aim to provide you with in-depth educative content which is fully practical and hands-on, and we are also going to provide you with tutorials covering industry standard skills all the way from fundamentals to advanced penetration testing. And now here's the main two kinds of contents that we are going to be putting out: offensive security and defensive security. For offensive security, we will be recreating real world attack chains in controlled lab environments. We will be studying threat actors, techniques, tactics, and procedures, and simulating advanced adversary operations in an isolated environment. When it comes to defensive security, we aim to provide actionable insights and practical tips on blue team operations, SOC workflows, SIM deployment, and incident response. We aim to do all of this primarily through home labs. And that's what this channel is all about. If you're serious about cybersecurity, this channel is for you. We have great things planned for this channel, so subscribe to SifrSec and stay tuned for the upcoming videos.